ang cheap flight ticket promo sa to today is from Davao City to destinations in the Philippines. So, let's go. So guys, round trip ticket ni siya tanan ha. Round trip ticket. Basig na po yung mga tanag one way ni ma'am. Round trip ni siya. Balik ko na ka round trip ha. No hidden fees, limited seats, and selected dates only. First is Davao to Manila for only 3,531 pesos. And next is Davao to Boracay for only 3,932 pesos. Davao to Puerto Princesa, Palawan for only 3,296 pesos. And next is Davao to Cebu for only 2,922 pesos. Piting baratuha guys. And last is Davao to Bohol for only 3,144 pesos. Yes guys, inga nakabarato ang cheap flight ticket promo sa Joy Travel and Tours. So guys, book na kay sayang kaayo. Limited seats lang ni siya guys. If you want the full details and the travel dates of our cheap flight ticket promos, please message Joy Travel and Tours guys. Mabalaan nimo tanan mga details o ang mga travel dates ani na mga flights guys. Guys, book na kapitijong baratuha guys. Sayang jud kaayo ha. Book na, sayang jud kaayo. So guys, if you want a hassle-free travel, nagabook pud mi og tour packages sa domestic, international, and cruise. So guys, kompleto kay ang Joy Travel and Tours. Nagabook mig domestic and international flights and nagabook pod mig tour packages. So guys, balik ko na ko. Book na para makalaag na ka and travel with Joy. Bye!